Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a very effective face mask that gets you a glowing face in a 7 days. This face mask is also remove acne, dark spots and tighten your skin. So let's go how to make it. At first I take Fuller's Earth. Then second step is egg white. Now I take a mixing bowl to mix these ingredients equally. I take 1 spoon of Fuller's Earth. This time I tell you, if you use this face mask your hand, leg, neck or other parts of body, then you can use or take more spoons of Fuller's Earth or egg white. I take 1 tablespoon of egg white. Now mix this very well. My face mask is almost ready. Now I am applying this face mask on my hand. So let's go. I take this face mask in a side of bowl and I take a cotton ball. If you have a no cotton ball, then use an old makeup brush. I take this type of and apply this properly on my hand. Fuller's Earth is a help to tighten your skin or glowing a face instantly and also remove a dark spots, acne, high pigmentations problem. Also, egg white is a help to remove dark spots, tighten your skin and also get a instant glowing face. Apply this face mask regularly basic in a days, or if you have no time to use this regular, then apply this face mask 3 or 4 times or 2 or 3 times in a week. Leave it until it died. See how much glowing on my hands. And also my hands is so much soft and glowing. Use this face mask 3 or 2 times in a week and you see your skin is so much glowing and effective result. So friends, this is my video and if you like my video then please subscribe to my channel.